What's up, content creators? It's your boy, the masked YouTuber, the one that will take your channel to 1 million subscribers. So today I got a quick weekly progress video and something very special. I got a trick that will make people visiting your channel or watching your videos click on the subscribe button. So you better watch till the end of this video. So it's been 2 weeks together, and we made overwhelming progress. In last week's video, I was at 58 subscribers, and at the time of filming this video, I'm currently at 78 subscribers. 120 subscribers in a single week. Can you believe this? Oh my god, I'm so excited. And all this is because of you guys. So before going into the juicy statistics for this channel, what I want you to do right now is click on the subscribe button below, hit the bell, and give me a thumbs up by liking this video. Thanks a lot. Here are a few important statistics for my channel. So we are here on Social Blade, and if you didn't know already, Social Blade allows you to check the statistics of any channels on YouTube. So I highly recommend that you check your own statistics, and that most importantly, the statistics of your competitors. As you can see, I've been making consistent daily progress in terms of subscribers and views for the past 2 weeks. And all this because of a commenting strategy I've been using for the past 2 weeks. So if you have not already, click on the link on the top right corner. There should be a link right here to go watch the video and use the strategy for your channel. So now let's go to YouTube and have a look at watch time. So watch time is basically the amount of time people are spending watching your videos. This statistic is extremely important for YouTube. It's because YouTube's goal is to sell advertising. So the more time people spend on their platform, the more advertising they can display and the more money they can make. So for you, it means that the more your videos have watch time, the more YouTube will love these videos, suggest them, and they will have higher ranking in search results. Also, your goal here is to really increase your watch time. I will give you strategies and tips, tricks to increase your watch times in future videos. My current watch time is at around 35 hours. I need 4,000 hours to start getting paid.
It's over 9,000! 9,000? You gotta be kidding me!
So there's a long way to go, but the more I will upload, the more watch time I will get. So that's enough statistics for today. Now let's talk about something that will help you grow your channel. The commenting strategy I've been using works amazingly well to bring people to your channel, but it won't make them subscribe. To make people subscribe to your channel, you need to do 2 things right now. Number 1, your content needs to be of acceptable quality. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be acceptable. By acceptable, I mean that you need to produce videos that are in at least 720p. You need to have good audio, you need to have a good camera, and you need good editing. So just think about channels you are currently subscribed to which do similar things to your channel, and try to meet the quality of their videos. Also, your channel needs to be targeted. That means that you need to have a single theme for your channel. This is extremely important. If you do gaming videos, only play a single game when starting out. For example, if you play Fortnite, people will subscribe to your channel because they like your Fortnite videos. Now, if you play another game, some people may not be interested in that. They will not watch your videos and they may even unsubscribe from your channel. Take this channel for example, it has a single theme. And it is showing you, documenting the process to go from 0 to 1 million subscribers and giving you tips, strategies to replicate the same success for your channel. Now, if I start making videos on, let's say, gaming or reaction videos, or me filming me walking around town, there's a great chance that you don't want to see these types of videos and that you will unsubscribe from my channel. So do the same for your channel. You need to focus on a single theme when starting out. The second thing that you need to do right now to make people want to subscribe to your channel is having a good YouTube banner. I got mine for $5 on Fiverr. The link to the seller I use is in the description of this video. You can use any sellers you want, you don't need to use them. A channel banner needs to only look professional and give a brief description of what your channel does so that when someone comes and visits your channel, he knows in the first 5 seconds what your channel is about. And this increases the probability of him subscribing to your channel. It's really simple. Professional looking and a brief description of what your channel is about. So guys, doing these two things will make people watching your videos and coming to your channel want to click on that subscribe button. So go do these right now. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. What I want you to do right now, as usual, is click on the subscribe button below, hit the bell, give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, and leave a comment below talking about your progress for the past week. See you in the next video.